Yeah.
you can actually make a bigger impact on the people that struggle. Because having something that they can learn and improve and
Yeah.
learn from their mistakes and enjoy in their success, you can actually make a bigger impact on people that and kids that maybe don't have those opportunities. Because the
Yes.
gifted kids, and this is something that, you know, I struggled, and we'll go through the beautiful stories of what they have accomplished and all that. But some of these gifted kids, you know, they had a private piano teacher, you know,
Yep.
they had, you
Yeah,
know, violin and all that.
exactly. In my lifetime also of 20 plus years of working with tens of thousands of students, I've also seen that's what you're talking about, how there are gifted youth who are just, you know, born with talent, shall we say, and then given lots of opportunity to develop it. And there's also those who may not be born with the same talent or may not have the same opportunity, or a combination of both of those. And in dealing with these things, I see different challenges for every one of those areas.